Punctuation marks help express the correct meaning of a given text. Some different punctuation marks are the full stop, the question mark, the exclamation mark, the comma, the hyphen, inverted commas, the apostrophe. Let's learn more about punctuation mark. Some punctuation marks appear at the end of sentences. Let us learn more about such punctuation marks. Read these sentences. Aisha and her parents were on a jungle safari. Where are all the tigers, mister? What a wonderful day! Notice how all these sentences end with different marks. Why? Because they are all different kinds of sentences. For example, this is a statement. It gives us some information. And statements always end with a full stop. Sentences like this, which ask questions, are simply known as questions. They end with a question mark. Aisha expresses a feeling of joy in this sentence. Such sentences which express shock, surprise, or strong emotions are known as exclamatory sentences. We end them with an exclamation mark. Now, read this sentence. Colonel Sharma has been in the army since 15 years. COL is the short form of the word colonel. Such short forms are known as abbreviations. We always use a full stop after an abbreviation. Here are some more examples with abbreviations. Professor Diya Sharma has studied in the United States. Captain Khan is very brave. Admiral Adams commanded a big army. General Basu has been our neighbor since 2 years. So now you may know when each end mark is used. Remember to use them correctly when writing sentences. Let us learn more about inverted commas. Read these sentences. Aisha exclaimed, "I can't wait to see all the animals." "They don't always come out," replied the ranger. Look at these punctuation marks. They are inverted commas. We use them to indicate the exact words spoken by a person. Here, Aisha's exact words are, "I can't wait to see all the animals." So, open inverted commas have been used to begin the quote, and closed inverted commas have been used to end it. Here are some more examples. "Where is Catty?" asked Jia. "Remove your English textbooks," commanded Miss Rao. Prashant lamented, "I have lost the bet." Meera shouted, "The thief has escaped." So, now you know how and when inverted commas are used. Remember to use them correctly when writing sentences.